Hello there, it's Christian Younggren with Kaizen Automotive Consulting, bringing you more best automotive practices. Have you ever been working with your guest and moving through the automotive sales process and you're at the write-up step? Now you're reviewing the figures together and the guest looks at you and says, you know what, I can buy the same car at another dealership for less money. Or they may say, you know what, I've got you beat on the price. Do you guys price match at all? Well, in this 4-part video series, I'm going to give you 6 different word tracks on how to overcome this common car buying objection. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to improve your automotive selling skills, learn how to use psychology to close more car deals, and received unbiased reviews on dealership, vendor, product, and service companies, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and then turn on the bell. That way you never miss out on learning anything new. Alright then, let's get to work. I can buy the same car at another dealership for less money is a very tricky automotive buying objection. I mean, on the one hand, you could try to challenge your guest on this. You could challenge them on this same car concept at another store. However, there's a good chance you could damage the rapport that you've built. Or you could go the other way and you could get into a price matching or even trying to beat the other dealer's price. Either way, it's not really a good option. I'm going to give you another way. Let me give you 6 different ways to answer I can buy the same car at another dealership. The first one's going to go like this. Now I understand when you hear this objection, you're tempted to say something to your guest like, well, if it was such a great deal, why didn't you buy it? And as someone who's used a variation of this type of a word track, I can tell you, it does put your customer on the defense and it risks the rapport that you've built. However, there's a better way. There's a way to maintain that common ground by just simply rewording that statement and just sort of backing into the same exact question. It's called the same numbers close. Now, since I'm by myself, I'm going to play both sides of the role play. I'm going to be Joe the customer and then myself as the salesperson. So it might go like this. Joe might say, hey Christian, Acme Motors has got the same car for less money. And you'd say, Joe, I do understand that. And you know what, let me ask you though. If all the numbers were the same, where would you rather do business? And he says, well, I like you, I like your car, so I guess here. And then you'd say, hey, why is that? In a respectful, deferential manner, ask, why is that? Now, since this is an open-ended question, none of us can be for sure exactly how it will be answered. However, I can tell you in my experience, if you keep asking why in a respectful manner, you're going to hear things like, well, yours has got a few less miles, or it's got less miles. It's got that tan interior we liked. And once you've got a few of these, you can do what they call a summary close. So an example of that might be, hey Joe, it sounds like we've really found the perfect car. Am I wrong? And I know you said you wanted something with lower miles, didn't you? And wasn't that tan interior your favorite color? And then finally, since that used vehicle comes with a 1-year warranty, isn't that going to give you some peace of mind during those first few months of ownership of the vehicle? What do you say we put all this shop behind you and get you out of here? That way you can start enjoying your new car. How'd you guys want to title it? One name or two? Well, there you have it. More ways to overcome the common automotive buying objection. I can buy the same car at another dealership for less. This way, you can close more car deals and have a better year. Now please let me know if you think these word tracks will work. Let me know what you think. Give me some feedback in the comment section below. I'd really like to know. Now, if you want to learn more ways to overcome objections like, I want more for my trade, the payment's too high, or we're just looking, please check out the videos that are going to be coming up next.